Do you have a dead battery? But we're in luck because we have the ANCEL BA101 and this battery tester is awesome. Now our battery is good on our NSX, but in this video we're gonna be testing a good battery and a bad battery, and using this is really easy. All you do is get the negative alligator clip and connect it to the negative terminal, and then you get the positive one and connect it to the positive terminal, and then it fires up. Then just hit quick test, and it's gonna ask us what our input AH value is. On our battery, it tells us we're at 60 AH. So what we're gonna do is just hit 60, and then it's gonna go and test it. The testing speed varies on the type of test, but it's quick overall. Boom, look at this, guys. So it tells us if the battery is good. If it was bad, it would tell us right here in the bottom, but this says good battery. It tells us it's healthy 100%, charge 100%, the cold cranking amps, its current voltage 12.80, it tells us resistance and its amperage. So I went to a local auto parts store looking for a dead battery, and we found one. They tested this battery and it's dead, and we're now going to use our tester to check it out. And it says replace. Look at that, guys. It's telling us to replace, and O'Reilly's system also said to replace. So this little bad boy does a great job. Now this little guy could do a bunch. It could test the battery in the car. It could test the battery out of the car. It could give you waveform data. You could review data, and you could print data. Now check this out. We're gonna do battery in car. We're gonna press enter. We're gonna do a battery test like we did before. And then it's gonna tell us to clear the surface charge. It's gonna tell us to turn on the headlights for about 10 seconds and then turn them off. We're gonna go ahead and press enter, and then it's gonna ask us what type of battery this is. And number one is your regular lead batteries that have the fluid in there, the ones that's been in use for decades. AGM flat plate, and that's most AGM batteries, and in the bottom is an AGM spiral, and that's typically those fancy batteries that you see out there. Then we have a gel battery, and then we have an EFP battery, which is an enhanced flooded battery. Now we have an AGM battery. Again, our battery tells us a 12 volt AGM battery, but let's go ahead and press flat plate. We're gonna press enter. And in this part, select input. This is for different regions and countries. And to give you a good example, GIS is the Japanese standard. And then we have cold cranking apps, all kinds of things in here for different countries. But we're gonna go to cold cranking apps because that's what we're looking for, and that's what covers most of the batteries, especially here in the States. So we're gonna press enter. It's gonna ask us our rate. Again, our cheat sheet says 600 right there, 600 amps. We're gonna go ahead and hit 600. And it tells our battery is good. We're gonna go down the list. It says it's healthy at 100%, charges 100%, and then we have 730 cold cranking amps. It's at 12.70 volts, which is good. We have 3.33 milliohms of resistance, and we have 600 amps, just like the battery is rated for. And it says good battery. If it was bad, it would tell us, and if it needed to be charged, it would also let us know. And the great thing about this is that it's so small, so it could fit in your work bag. It's easy to put away, and it doesn't take up too much space. Now the link is gonna be in the description. I highly recommend this. You can't go wrong with having a battery tester. It does so many things, and it's only gonna help. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button. You take care. We'll talk to you soon.